I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Crypto.com app. Start by downloading the app, creating an account, and enabling two-factor authentication. Next, complete identity verification with your ID and selfie to access deposits and trading. Finally, set a secure passcode and explore the home feed to familiarize yourself with balances, prices, and news before moving on to deposits. In this video, I will explain how to fund your Crypto.com account. Choose a payment method like bank transfer or debit card, then select the currency and follow the prompts to deposit. Confirm limits and any fees shown before sending funds. Once the deposit clears, the balance updates in your wallet, and you can move on to buying crypto or setting up recurring purchases for convenience and cost averaging. In this video, I will help you trade and stake on Crypto.com. First, choose the asset you want and place a market or limit order with the amount you prefer. Consider setting up recurring buys to dollar cost average over time. To earn rewards, stake eligible tokens and review the APY and lockup period. Keep an eye on fees and confirmations so your trades and stakes complete smoothly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.